Hello, I'm Mark Ingram and I manage aQmen Underwriting, who are a specialist underwriting agency within Q Underwriting Services. I joined aQmen in 2011 as a director and became the MD in January 2019. COVID-19 has had a significant impact on faith communities and their connected organisations. With places of worship being closed for services, prayer meetings and other types of gatherings, some faith communities have been adapting tremendously well to what has become a new norm. For example, providing pastoral care through telephone and online communication channels, individual doorstep or garden visitations to members of the congregation, and even for some, providing full-blown services broadcast live online with live music and other contributions from multiple participants. Some places of worship have remained physically closed, whilst others have continued to be very active, such as through offering community services, including food banks, catering for the homeless, and reaching out to many vulnerable people in their local communities. For many faith communities, identifying financial hardships and social needs in their local communities may create new opportunities to serve their local area. The next thing, therefore, is to ensure that any significant new additional services are not only covered under the policy, but that members and volunteers are appropriately trained for the new tasks they may be asked to undertake. Well-meaning community work, whether that involves advice, counselling or other types of practical support, should always be underpinned by training and good working practices. Crucially, this particularly includes adapting safeguarding policies in the light of any changed circumstances. Finally, as social distancing rules become more relaxed, further signposting advice to faith communities may be helpful. Whilst the prospect of meeting as large-scale congregations remains unlikely for some months to come, new COVID risk assessments in regard to returning to various activities will be required. aQmen Underwriting was formed in 2005 originally as a partnership with specialist charity law firm Bates Wells and the Charity Aid Foundation. Created by the sector, for the sector, we have developed specialist and competitive insurance products for the not-for-profit organisations, which includes places of worship and their connected organisations. aQmen's offering is unique. We focus solely on broker distribution, and our faith policy is extremely broad, especially designed for all types of faith groups, including churches, synagogues, mosques, temples of all types and sizes. We launched our dedicated faith policy in 2015, but our underwriters have many years of experience in insuring faith communities. In some respects, we've been able to come into the sector and disrupt what was previously a limited and established market. Good examples are normally including subsidence on faith buildings and also not limiting consequential damage following theft of metal from buildings. Our goal is to help you, the broker, win and retain business, and to give you confidence that we understand your client needs, and that our competitive products will cover their requirements no matter what their faith background is. Thank you for listening.